Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Cuvva insurance. Is this insurance legit or it's just another scam? You should buy any insurance policy on this platform, and what are the things you need to keep in your mind and what are the fees and all. So in this video we will cover lots of things. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, Cuvva is a very popular brand and they have good review on internet. Like they are approx 15 years from now, and you can imagine the time period. Okay, so this is the first thing. And as you know, I want to ask you one question, which thing make insurance or which thing make any brand like legit? The contact information, the claim, claim percentage, how many people will get there, you can like claims very successfully, and the customer support they are providing. So these kind of information are making brand legit. Okay, so if we're talking about this brand, they are providing each and everything. Okay, and you can also see like they are available on Trustpilot and they have approx 4.7k 4.7 ratings at the rate of 5,000 reviews, approx 5,000 reviews. And the rating is really good, but they also have some negative reviews. And the best part of their brand is like they are, you can like replying their customer with each and every customer they are replying. Okay, the customer facing problems and they are complaining on Trustpilot, but the best part, they are in touch with their customers. So this is the good thing. Okay, now when we talk about like before placing any order related to policy, you should check out their you can like how does their pricing will work. I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can check out this article, your age and your driving history, your vehicle age, your location and time of the day. So these are the pricing, you can say these are the pricing, they are working of the pricing. Okay, you should check out this note. Okay, so if we talk about like is this brand really good or not, yes, definitely this brand is really good. But you can do one thing, you can read out there some negative reviews and you can note down some important negative points, and you can ask with their customer support, you can contact with their customer support and you can ask any questions, and you can like ask like why they are getting these kind of negative reviews, and you can clear your doubts. Okay, but in the terms of legitness, the brand is 100% legit. This you can like service is really good. Okay, so now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.